Welcome, Mystic Templum. This is Masculine Lunar Waves, a ritual soundscape for the 9-9 portal. It carries the current of release through strength, sovereignty, and power. Here, the divine masculine rises like a pillar, sealing what you have released so it will not return. Let each rhythm be a step forward into completion, every wave a shield of protection. This is the music of resolve, the sound of wholeness anchored, and the echo of a portal walked through with courage. Now step into the strength of the divine masculine, and this is the sealing current, the portal of completion. What you released will not return. The 9-9 gateway stands before you, and you walk through it whole, sovereign, unshaken. Every wave here is a shield, every step forward a vow to remain free.
Under the Pisces moon tonight, shadows dancing silver light. 9 ghosts whisper my name. I'm the player and the game. Eclipse skies, we pull and sway, letting 9 waves drift away. I'm cutting loose, I'm letting go. 9 toxic threads I used to sew. Lunar waves crash through my soul. I'm whole now, I'm whole now. Mirror's edge reflects my fears. Old wounds fade like falling tears. Every scar a constellation, rewriting my own salvation. Completion hums, gateway calls. 9 walls crumble, 9 walls fall. I'm cutting loose, I'm letting go. 9 toxic threads I used to sew. Lunar waves crash through my soul. I'm whole now, I'm whole now. Mirror's edge reflects my fears. Old wounds fade like falling tears. Every scar a constellation, rewriting my own salvation. Completion hums, the gateway calls. 9 walls